Hi, we have 3 letters we are working on today. Go ahead and grab your whiteboard again, grab your marker, and grab your eraser. Make sure you are sitting at a table, your kitchen table, somewhere that you are able to write. So grab all those things and come back and see me. Okay, if you need to, go ahead and pause the video, but I'm going to go ahead and get started, all right? All right, the 3 letters we're working on, everybody say L, lamp, ol. Again, L, lamp, ol. K, kike. K, kike. And H, hat. H, hat. Go through those one more time. L, lamp, ol. K, kike. And H, hat, ha. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started with writing our letters. All right, the first letter we're going to write is L. And this one's pretty simple because we're going to do the lowercase l, okay? So we are going to start at the skyline, okay? And we are going to go down to the grass line. And that's it. We'll do it one more time, but I think you guys can get this part. We're going to go to the skyline, down to the grass line, and stop. Go ahead and make an L on your own. Say L, lamp, ol. You may erase your board. I think we would know how to do L. I feel pretty confident you guys can do that one. All right, the next one we're going to do is K, kike. K, kike. We are going to start at the skyline. Go ahead and watch me first, okay? This one's a little bit more complicated. We're going to start at the skyline. We're going to go down to the grass line. We're going to pick up our marker. We're going to go to the plane line. We're going to leave a space between the plane line and where we started our K. And we're going to come into the middle of our K. And we're going to go out again to the grass line. Say K, kike. All right, let's do it again. We're going to start at our skyline, go down to the grass line, go to the plane line, come into the middle of our K, go out to the grass line. Okay, go ahead and make a K on your own. Let me know when you are ready. But you can't let me know, can you? All right, you should have 3 Ks on your board, and when you do, you may erase. All right. The next letter we're going to do is H, hat, ha. H, hat, ha. Same thing, we're going to start at our skyline. We're going to go down to the grass line. We're going to trace back up to the plane line, make a curve down to the grass line. H, hat, ha. You can do one with me, and then you'll do one on your own. Go to the skyline, down to the grass line, come back up to the plane line, make a curve all the way to the grass line. Say H, hat, ha. Go ahead and do one on your own. When you have 3 H's on your board, you may erase. Okay, guys, let's go through our letters one more time. L, lamp, ol. K, kike. And H, hat, ha. Okay, guys, that's it for foundation.